is Monica Wilson. I am the Program Director of CIWI, Construction Industry Workforce Initiatives. We are a San Francisco-based program based in Bayview that works to create internship positions for first-generation college students interested in construction, real estate development, architecture and engineering, and civic engagement. The mission is to really promote and expand opportunities in construction on the professional service side. We have fantastic partners on both sides of the Bay. In San Francisco, we have partnered with College Track and Juma Ventures. In Oakland, East Bay College Fund.
My name is Joshua Jones. I go to Cal State Long Beach. I'll be a sophomore this fall, and I'm sponsored by Cahill Contractors. My project is Hunter's View, Block 7 and 11. I typically redline RFIs into the plans, or I look over submittals. They're setting rebar, and we're preparing for our slab-on grade pour over here.
CIWI is a summertime internship program. The program itself runs June through August. We take them into the community to attend workshops, meetings, documentaries that really give you a very strong and current snapshot of what's going on in the Bay Area.
I really appreciate what CIWI is doing to help diversify the future generation of development. I think it's so important for our future that our young people with a diverse background are involved in these decisions and that they begin to be in these spaces.
This internship has been unlike any other internship I've done thus far. The current project I'm working on is completing a tech survey for Trans Bay Block 8, and basically this is a new residential development mixed use with affordable and below market rate residents.
CIWI has been a great experience for me just because I feel like here was where I was really able to see how the construction industry is, and actually not just how it is, but how pretty much the structure of it is before the actual construction begins.
I think what's fantastic about CIWI is that our sponsors and our key stakeholders, as we've expanded to include SPUR, to include San Francisco Housing Action Coalition and AIA this past summer, they all have a commitment to providing opportunities.
I learned about engineering, specifically civil engineering and AutoCAD Civil 3D, and it really exposed me to the background scenes of engineering work and how they actually put what's on paper to real life.
I work for Nibby Brothers General Construction. I'm working with the architect on staff as well as the marketing department, working with both design aspects and creating new features for buildings, new sidewalks, being able to actually see where those plans go and what it turns into and how the process between the architect and final building has been a great experience.
Here at Nibby, I do outreach for the subcontractors, so I make phone calls, making sure they get their bids in and get their bids in on time, and they also have knowledge about the projects coming up.
The projects that I'm currently working on is the Aloni Gardens, Salesian and Fulton Boys and Girls Club, the Mission Bay, and the Hixby project. I'm working on the payroll and making sure the numbers are right, and how everything is accounted for, all the supplies and everything is paid for, and the workers are getting their payments. It's what I will be doing once I graduate. I'll be working on the finance department and stuff.
Several of our interns had already done an internship with SFPUC on their sewer system improvement program, and so the ability to identify those young adult leaders and to engage them in our program and to just expand and enhance what we can provide has just been remarkable.
What I've gained most from this experience from CIWI is really allowing me to expand my knowledge in a realm of architecture, design, construction, in a world that really I've never even been exposed to or touched. I've been involved in many activities previously before CIWI, and none of them has really given me the chance or opportunity to venture out into different avenues and explore what it means to create a building and city planning and all the different aspects that go into it and all the key players that play a part in making really a city.
So this black tube right here, this is the plumbing that's going in between the units. And then this is the fire sprinklers right here. And that's insulation in the units.
So this is going to be part of the elevator shafts. They go all the way to the 5th floor, all the way to the basement. They're not really finished yet, but at the bottom we have a few foundation and stuff. But it's not really done.
The program, it has very good structure and discipline, if you will, but the flexibility and the individual personalities really shine through. And this year we had a tremendous pool of leaders, those that had developed, and it was just remarkable to see what they brought to the table on day one.
I'm currently working on the TNDC Celebrity Pool Toss, which is an event that is aimed at alleviating the poverty and low income and homelessness in San Francisco. You really see as a company that they value the community, and they also want to target the different type of communities that are present in San Francisco.
My sponsor is Strata Investment Group. We're working on 2 projects here. One is Mission Bay and the other is the Warrior Stadium. And my role here at Strata is investment research.
CIWI has really kind of risen and just really been a very empowering personal experience for myself as well, because it showed that we were developing a program that was timely, that was right in time with all of the various economic development and policy items on the table in the Bay Area right now.
I'm Alana Johnson. I'm interning at Interstice Architects. My experience with the CIWI program has definitely been one to remember. Being with this program, it definitely has opened my eyes to different career paths. Initially, I was thinking about studying business marketing, and just by doing this, I can completely say that I've opened my horizons to other opportunities.
The CIWI program, I learned a lot. I learned to be a little bit more patient and more understanding that it takes just not physical ability to build a building, but it also takes a lot of mental strength and a lot of mental focus, because if calculations go wrong, building ain't going to be built right.
Being on a construction site and seeing the whole process, like 3 months, a lot can happen in 3 months. I remember a few weeks in, I was going into the basement, looking into the area that was going to be where the showers were going to be, and it was just a bunch of pipes. And I went there a couple weeks ago, and now there's drywall where people can actually shower.
It's just been a great opportunity to see that even over a 12-week period, how much they grow, how much they understand, and when they start to embrace and use the language within the industry and are talking about RFIs or change orders. When you look at it in terms of professional services and the industry at large, it's an endless pool of opportunities.
I think there should be more CIWIs out there, because I kind of knew what I wanted to do being in college. Being with CIWI and working for Turner, kind of confirmed what it is that I want to do.
It's been a great experience just knowing that I'm a part of something way bigger.
And I'm proud to be a part of CIWI.
CIWI.
CIWI. CIWI.
I can say that it all started with CIWI, and that's where the foundation was.